Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So I'm here today with an amazing video, benefits of giving fresh water to our poultry farms. Fresh water is crucial for poultry health, productivity, and welfare, playing vital roles in digestion, nutrient transport, body temperature regulation, and overall health, ultimately leading to improved growth, egg production, and disease resistance. So another benefit here is that number one, hydration and metabolism. Water is a fundamental component of the poultry body, accounting for up to 70% of their weight, and is essential for all metabolic processes, including digestion, nutrient absorption, waste elimination, and body temperature regulation. And another benefit is digestive function. Water helps soften feed in the crop and facilitates the movement of food through the digestive tract, improving nutrient absorption and utilization. We can see that giving fresh water to our poultry farm has so many benefits. Another benefit, number 3, body temperature. Body temperature regulation. Water helps regulate body temperature, especially important in hot weather, as chickens lack sweat gland and rely on panting and evaporative cooling. That is why, especially during heat period, we don't joke in giving our birds water. They should not run out of water. Another benefit is that nutrient transport. Water is essential for transporting nutrients and waste products throughout the body, ensuring efficient metabolism and overall health. We have seen so many benefits of giving fresh water to our poultry farms. Number 5, water reduces stress. Giving fresh water to our poultry farm reduces stress. Clean water reduces stress in poultry farms, leading to better overall health and productivity. Whenever you give clean water to our poultry farm, you are giving them, it will lead to better overall health and productivity. Another benefit, increased feed efficiency. When birds are properly hydrated, they can better utilize their feed conversion ratio and reduce feed cost. It will reduce feed cost when giving them a lot of water. So, what type of water do you supposed to give to your birds? Is it anyhow water? And the answer here is no. You can only give your birds clean water, fresh water, fresh and clean water. Water that you yourself, you know that you'll be able to drink it. That is the same water you're supposed to give to your birds. Always give your birds clean water. They deserve clean water. Give clean water to your birds so that you'll be able to drive away diseases from your poultry farm. Another thing is that when you give dirty water to your birds, you are inviting diseases to your poultry farm. So we are advised to always give our birds clean water. They need clean water and they deserve clean water. If you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and join this great family. In this channel, we talked about organic. We talk about organic, how you can prepare your own organic supplement to your own poultry farm. How you can cut down the cost of instead of spending so much money. In this channel, we talk about how to prepare herbal remedies for our poultry farm. Though not 100% herbal remedy. I always used to say that the reason why I'm saying not 100% organic is because I used to give my birds vaccine. Yes, I used to vaccinate my birds, and I don't see anything wrong for me to give my birds vaccine and then continue in the organic way. So I have so many videos on how to prepare herbal remedies, that's organic treatment for our poultry farm. I made so many videos, and I made another video on how you can ferment plantain stem, how you can use plantain stem, how you can ferment it and feed it to your birds. That is another way of cutting down the cost in your poultry farm. So let's come back to the topic why you clicked on this video. Benefits of giving fresh water to our poultry farms. So if you are into broiler farming or you are into layer farming, all what you need to do is to give our birds fresh and clean water. By doing that, if you are into broiler farming, it will increase the quality, or it will increase quality, it will give quality meat. And again, if you are into layer farming, you can be rest assured that you will have massive egg production. You cannot starve your birds water and then you expect profit in your layer farm. Whenever you give water, give them a lot of water, enough water, and then you will always be smiling every day. You will always be cashing out every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and join this great family as we start small and then we grow big. Thank you so much for watching.